just a slight height advantage. Certainly a couple of more wins going by the way of Leko. Mashrapov with the great camo, Alex Da Silva with the left. Clinching up as we take a look at Jesse Arnett getting teched up here at the Etihad. See if he can regain his title against Al-Qaisi here tonight. It's Mashrapov that gets the takedown finally. Trying to move around to side, but it's well defended by Da Silva at the moment.
Abu Dhabi, the combat capital of the world.
Now inside control is Mashrapov, he's looking to pass. Throw his right leg over. Taking a look in reply at Al-Qaisi getting taped up, defending his featherweight belt. Final fight of the trilogy here tonight, your main event, Uri Warriors 42. That is going to be historic, without a shadow of a doubt. But meanwhile, it's Da Silva just holding on to the neck. Mashrapov just holding on to the left leg of Da Silva.
Mashrapov trying to control the head, and Da Silva trying to regain the guard. Good position for Mashrapov.
So just trying to turn, look to escape. Arm still around the back of Mashrapov's head. A couple of elbows, got to be careful with the placement of those. Just kicking with the left leg, Mashrapov. Up against the fence.
Барына чексиз. Эмнелерге? Барына. Мессенджерлерге, социалдык тармактарга, чалууларга, фильмдерге, сериалдарга, телеканалдарга. 4 жумага 550 сом. Шашылгыла, барыбыз кошулабыз. Переходи на О. Барына чексиз.
Gets up to his feet, as Da Silva's well done. He's got to be careful not to leave his neck out and disengage.
Just good powerful.
Falling left hand, Mashrapov. Mashrapov, Da Silva came back up and now clinching up again. Da Silva. He's up the middle now, exchanging up against the fence.
Oh, that went high. Very close to the face there.
Able to get that left knee up really high, isn't he, Alex Da Silva? Referee Dan Bob here asking for a little bit more action. Clinches up against the fence, looking really significant landing at the moment. We get separated, but don't go to work. Short little elbow to Da Silva. Nice front kick, Mashrapov. Da Silva looks for the uppercut as Mashrapov comes in for the left jab. Just teasing the takedown. So many feints from Mashrapov. Silva, that's a nice one-two combo from Mashrapov that's coming in. A nice, beautiful right to follow it up as Da Silva comes back at him. Nice movement from Mashrapov. He's mixing it up, keeping the opponent guessing where it's coming from. Teasing the level change, going for the kicks, coming in with the combos. Nice left jab. They're both allowed to swing in. Trying to cut him off. He's back up against the fence. Good right from Silva. Mashrapov takes a bit of a pause there. Can't be standing in front of him like that. Good little left jab from Mashrapov. Tries to set up the takedown attempt, but Alex Da Silva, very wise to the move indeed, as they're clinching up against the fence yet again. Engage, back in the middle. Beautiful back, spinning back fist from Mashrapov. Easily blocked from Da Silva. A lot of power in it though. It's going to cause a bit of damage even though it lands it on Da Silva's guard. There's a leg kick and a nice takedown from Mashrapov. Well timed it, Da Silva straight back up. Nice knee in the right though from Da Silva. Mashrapov applies one of his own. Very competitive. Silva goes back to controlling the space and the pace.
Oh, a heavy shot though from Mashrapov. As Silva steps in, he just threw the short right hand straight to the jaw.
Nice right by Mashrapov. Silva tries to fly on his line, he gets a nice left off. Holding overhand right, nowhere near. It's a good power shot from Mashrapov that stunned Da Silva with a reply of his own. Cute little leg kick to Da Silva, the legs are going open, follows up some nice bit of ground and pound, has got the neck.
They're just there. Dropping his hips in.
The head is certainly underneath, but he's not cranking on it as Da Silva.
There's an arm inside.
Get back up to his feet, but good control from Da Silva. Still at the moment. Mashrapov just buying some time. Silva just keeping control and keeping position. But evens where it is at the moment.
He didn't need to make a decision of where he's going to go from here. And he's going to turn it into a more advantageous position. At the moment, he's going to hold Mashrapov down. He's not really progressing too much.
Damov Hedi asking for a little bit more action. I think he's agreeing with you. A couple of short shots to the ribs from Mashrapov.
Maybe that right knee will come into play with the body. Get up.
As well to get up. That right cross, belly. Silva goes straight back, pushing forwards. The takedown attempt was easily stunned as he gets back up. It's a nice left knee for Silva.
Tá esperando de novo, Leco. Tá esperando ele descansar, Leco. Pra cima, Leco. Pra cima, Leco. Seja agressivo, Leco. Tá esperando ele descansar, Leco.
Decent right from Mashrapov, but Silva is just coming forward, just pushing the pace.
Mashrapov's mouth's open. He looks slightly more tired of the two.
Perhaps the groundwork, trying to get back up to his feet, strained him just a little bit. You're right, Ollie, his mouth's wide open. He's got a nasty body shot there. It's a big left to Silva that misses. Very patient from Leco. Mashrapov coming forward. There's too much movement to Silva moving backwards when you get within range. Very nice short little right, wasn't it? Nutritional-wise, much better output than Silva in this round. Certainly taking it, in my eyes, he's controlling the space and pace nicely and getting a couple of decent shots off. Just trying to drain the dash tank off from Mashrapov. That was a nice left though. Good left as Leco. Mashrapov really starting to disengage, coming forward with a couple of little 1-2 combos, but it's really Leko da Silva who's starting to dictate where this fight is taking place. Coming in, he's catching up against the fence.
Let go, clean break.
Spare sponsorship going into the third. I'm going to see more of the same. Silva just pushing forward a bit. Mashrapov comes with a bit more power, goes down low. Nice body shot from Mashrapov and just gets out of the way in time. Good stick and move, and then wide. Nice body shot on his own to the Silva. Takedown of Mashrapov, easily stuffed by the Silva. Wrong space and angle. Against pitching in, there's that left high knee from Silva. Scored out in the first round, he gets them up really nice and high. Left thigh with the knees. Brazilian. It's probably a good pace for the Silva. Really starting to drain the gas tank of his opponent in that second round. Just see if he can just start to do it even more in the third and use that as a way of just pushing the pace and see if he can get the power down and finish his opponent rather than just seeing out the third and final round. Looks like he's done. Don't win for the Silva. I was asking for the finish. And he's blotting off the angles of his opponent. Let's just see if we can see that. So it's a, I think it was the leg kick, the right leg kick, and it's a knee that ended up landing a little bit more because of the angle of where his opponent's torso was moving in that point in time.
The beautifully thrown kick to get that knee cranked up out so that the knee and the shin connect.
Talking about how high he's able to get them up, Alex da Silva. He's going for the